Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo Y100 5G smartphone. In this video you will learn how you can take long screenshot using S.Capture in your phone Vivo Y100 5G. First go to the notification area and here you can select S.Capture. S.Capture is available here and select it and click on long screenshot here, and long screenshot will be taken, but you should have longer page for taking long screenshot. Okay, so this page does not have longer page, and I show it with another example. So here this is the longer page, and here itself I would like to take a long screenshot and go to the notification area and click on S.Capture and click on long screenshot, and now long screenshot will be taken. Okay, automatically it will be scrolling, and if you want to stop at a particular time, just click over the screenshot area and it will be stopped, and click on save finally. Okay, yes, this is the long screenshot using S.Capture. If you want to edit, use editing tool, and there are various editing tools. Just so you can edit and then click on save. For example, I add some text here. Hello. Click on done and click on tick mark to save it. Click on save. Yes, so long screenshot is completed, and editing is also completed in long screenshot. And to access it, just go to the file manager, then file manager, go to internal storage, then go to pictures and go to screenshots, and see it at the bottom. You will see the latest screenshot that you have taken. This is the latest long screenshot that I have taken using S.Capture method. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.